I feel so pleased because I've been given attention today and given a new eyeglasses, and it's really nice, you know. And I also have a new eye drops for my eyes because it's getting dry sometimes. And it was very nice people around here from your foundation. I really appreciate for you guys come here, and because I have no money for food and I have 4 kids, I'm a single mother. Nobody is helping me, no one is supporting me. You came today and make my day.
Palagi kaming last eh. Last, least, lost. That's why we are very happy. Ginawa niyo po kaming first sa inyong puso.
Sila yung hindi na bihira magbisita, makulong. So, why not give them yung comfort pa rin ng vision nila? Kasi yun lang naman ang magagamit nila para to improve themselves as well as yung mga skills na nagagawa nila. Yung malalo na matataas ang grado, we need to give them the glasses. So, pagbalik sa Manila, we have to have them made and send it back here.
Dako na ko kalipay nga makahuman ko sa kapinting. Tungod sa akong paningkamot nga makamao ko kayo pinting, mahuman ang pinting, magkakwarta po ng mamba na ipadapon ng pamilya.
Hindi kasi ako makabasa pag walang salamin. Gagamitin ko to sa pagbabasa sa Bible para matutunan namin lahat kung anong kamalian namin sa laya pa kami.
First time ko mag-refract dito sa jail. Masarap sa feeling yung may nagagawa ka something na alam mong nakakatulong ka sa kung ano yung capability mo, very appreciated ng nakakatanggap ng tulong. Kasi nga, sa kanila, very needed nila yun eh. Tapos sa'yo, parang small way mo lang yun.
All patients are equal. We consider them as patients in need of medical services. Mag-start muna tayo dito sa mata. Baka next time, sa ibang medical concern na we try to fulfill the goals of Master, purify people's mind, harmonize society, and we wish there were peace.
Dahil tayo'y isang pamilya, tayo